Best modifications for a 2026 BMW M135i xDrive, Premium Hot Hatch Tuning Guide. The 2026 BMW M135i xDrive is the perfect blend of performance, refinement, and practicality, a premium hot hatch that delivers both luxury and thrill. With its 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four, xDrive all-wheel drive system, and 8-speed automatic transmission, the M135i is already a formidable machine. But for enthusiasts who crave more excitement, tuning this compact powerhouse unlocks its true potential, transforming it into a razor-sharp performance weapon that can rival even the larger M2 in spirit. Under the hood lies BMW's B48 engine, a robust and efficient powerplant producing around 315 horsepower and 330 lb-ft of torque in stock form. This engine shares its architecture with the B58 found in the M340i and Supra, meaning it responds exceptionally well to modifications. The first step in the upgrade path is a high-performance cold air intake from a Venturi, MST, or BMS, which improves airflow and adds that signature turbo induction sound. Pair this with a high-flow downpipe and a stainless steel catback exhaust from Remus, Miltech, or Akrapovic, and you'll not only enhance throttle response but also unlock a deep, aggressive exhaust tone befitting an M-badged car. The most dramatic gains come from tuning. A Stage 1 ECU remap via Boot Mod 3 or MHD can raise power output to around 370 horsepower, while a Stage 2 tune with supporting upgrades, such as an intercooler, turbo inlet pipe, and fuel system enhancements, can push output past 400 horsepower. With xDrive keeping traction in check, the tuned M135i can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest hatches on the road. Handling upgrades elevate the driving experience even further. The M135i's stock suspension is already sporty, but installing KW or Bilstein coilovers allows adjustable ride height and damping to suit your preferred balance of comfort and agility. Adding HNR sway bars, M Performance strut braces, and PowerFlex polyurethane bushings tightens up the chassis, reducing body roll and sharpening turn-in response. Lightweight 19-inch forged wheels from BBS or OZ Racing, paired with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, provide outstanding grip and reduce unsprung weight. Braking is another area ripe for improvement. A big brake kit from Brembo or AP Racing, featuring larger rotors and multi-piston calipers, drastically improves stopping performance and fade resistance during spirited driving or track days. Stainless steel brake lines and high-performance pads deliver a firmer pedal feel and precise modulation. Visually, subtle exterior upgrades complement the M135i's performance character. A carbon fiber front splitter, rear diffuser, and roof spoiler improve aerodynamics and enhance its aggressive stance. Inside, Alcantara trim, M-Performance steering wheels, and short-throw shifters bring a motorsport-inspired atmosphere to the cabin. With the right modifications, the 2026 BMW M135i xDrive transforms from a refined hot hatch into a compact supercar killer, fast, composed, and endlessly engaging. It's proof that BMW's smallest M-tuned model can deliver both daily comfort and exhilarating performance, all wrapped in premium European style.